Drop slip.
1, 2, 3, 2, 0. Runway 26. Braking action good at time 2115. Contamination west.
So this quarter had a huge hit. It was sideswiped. Needs tons of body work. Lots of sanding, lots of body filler, lots of sanding. And that's kind of our only option here.
Bro,
This is what happens when you paint metal before you freaking bondo it. So don't listen to nobody who says bondo over painted metal. Only bare metal.
Valosha, what is this? That's a straight glob.
Glabagoo. Oh. Legs? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm a sick man. Check this out. Life hack. You get yourself masking tape. Off the panel. And then when you bondo,
Peel it off.
peel, and we'll get you good. Oh yeah, just grab the light and just warm this bondo up.
Don't do this, guys.
Oh.
I don't think you had enough hardener again.
Brother, look how blue it is.
That's not enough blue.
That's plenty of blue. Apply in layers. Huh?
Hmm?
Extra? I think not. What are you laughing at?
What are you doing?
Body work.
What was the tape for?
Go away. Shut up and record.
People are gonna watch this. The comments are gonna be diabolical.
Don't worry about it. You gotta do what you gotta do. Bro, who let you talk? Shut up, cameraman. The camera doesn't speak. That's hyenas. Hold on. We're in Washington. I'm just kidding, we're in Africa.
What the hell are you doing? You just ruined that.
There's more bondo.
Go to sleep. You just created a divot.
No, I created a lot of bondo.
This dude, Mark, doesn't know what a mask is. How ironic, just sitting in front of his face. What are you doing?
Huh?
What do you have in front of you?
What?
What do you have in front of you?
Teggy?
What's on the teggy?
Bondo?
What's on the teggy?
Ah, mask.
Yeah, maybe put it on.
get vocal. Hey, easy. It's the second time I've gotten a weld into my ear.
Was it yesterday?
Yeah. Oh,
Wait,
I just had a massage on my back. All this hard work to make it sound like this.
All right.
Ricer Honda boy. It's silent though.
It doesn't sound bad.
And it don't rasp inside the.
It don't sound bad.
It may look like it, but it sounds like beauty.
Little sound clip for us.
How about you? Where's your light at?
Get it out.
Oh, look at that. Look at that one.
What the hell is all that? It's a bit too
good,
bright.
don't it? That look good.
Oh boy.
Hopefully nobody ever looks under here.
Well, when the exhaust is sitting like this, you kind of have to. That's respectable.
That's low RPMs. So
That's respectable.
we'll hear it at 7,000 RPMs soon. Right now?
No.
Ooh.
B18.
Free 600 grit. Yes, D18 swapped. 91 or 93 or 92, whatever year it is. Come look at this beauty. So you see the stock bash bar mount.
Yeah.
I mean, for legal reasons, we probably shouldn't show this.
Oh, okay.
Check it out.
It's holding
I did
up.
not do that.
It was there, but
I promise. That wasn't me. You know what I'm saying? If somebody dies because this goes straight through and then this just, it wasn't my, I didn't do this. It came like that.
somebody's gonna be very lucky whoever gets
I
this car.
promise. You know?
I'm flipping that. But what just happened, Roman?
So basically, we just blew a coolant line.
Get over here.
If we go over here, we got a bit of a mess. You look right there, we got a ruptured coolant line that goes
1.0.
no.
That's no bad.
do not inhale that. We gotta quickly cut that, shorten it, and call it a day.
The blade. It fell out, and that's what I took into the shop.
Oh, you got another one.
No, I don't.
Now we have no blade. No spares, of course.
Little caffeine break. Back to it.
Look at it steaming from the engine.
Yes.
No coolant, everything blew out. I'm so glad the radiator didn't blow up like on our other Integra. We legit were at the parking lot idling. It said, don't touch me.
What's funny is we pulled into the parking lot all fine, start driving out, and then it's just John who starts overheating.
I think what happened is it heat soaked to the point where it was just sitting hot.
This is water.
No, just say, can I please have some water? Stop. For good luck.
Stop.
Filter, it's soaked. Our hot air,
Hot air intake. Spit it out. Let it out. Ah.
Everything you say and do will be used against you in the video.
I'm editing. Close it! Mark has to do every single time he merges lanes. Manually going. Do it again. Do it again. The noise it makes too.
Elevator noises.
Hello? What's up? We came out here to record some cinematics. Quick edit, just to see the finished product. Brought my cousin Mark out. He's from Cali. We're having like a...
Ми тут живемо життям, дихаємо повітря. Слава Богу, все нормально.
Amen.
You wanted to come over? I don't know if you're busy or not, but I really miss
But we're gonna head back now. Thank you, Mark, for letting me drive the Integra. That was very fun. I only stalled it once uphill, but that's it. Don't worry about your clutch. You'll be fine.